Hi everyone, this is Vivek. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create beautiful screenshots for your mobile app. So, we're going to use a site named Flycricket to design our app screenshots. So, before that, make sure that you already have raw screenshots like this. Make sure that you have at least 4 screenshots. Now, open your browser and uh, search for Flycricket and you will see this website flycricket.com, and I will leave this link in the description as well. So now click on this website and I have to create an account here. So let's create an account quickly. Simply enter your email ID and password. After this, click on this I'm not a robot button and click on sign up. Now you will see a interface like this, and here we have to create uh, app store screenshots. Now you can simply click on learn more and now click on get started. You have to enter your app name here. For now I'm generating a screenshot for calculator app, so I simply give a name calculator. Click on create. Okay, here we are going to start from scratch, so click on this button showing pick a device to start from scratch. Click there and you can choose according to your need. For now I'll go with Samsung S5. Now you will see different type of background or types. Okay, so first of all you have to choose either you want gradient background, solid background, or image or pattern in the background. So among these, some are free, some are paid, so make sure that you are going with free. So let's go with this gradient background as it looks good, and you can choose how this screenshot appears by clicking on this layout probably, and this type of layouts are premium. We can only go with these. So among these, okay, this one looks better, that is initial one, so you can choose any of these. And this gradient background sounds good. Now we have to upload a screen image, so as we have total of 4 images, let's create 4 screen first, and let's change the background as well. So in this type of layout you can simply describe your app feature in the top, and so that particular feature screenshot below the description, okay, or below that feature. Now click on screen images to simply upload screen images. So to upload screen images, click on this arrow button and select from the raw screenshots that you have taken previously. So first of all, let me go with this, and okay, we can't change the position. So actually I want to add this screenshot here in the first, so let me select this first and click here. I will change that one later. Now go to text and let's change the text. Okay, simple calculator. So this is our dummy project, so I'm giving it a simple description. Okay, so you have to go with your own, and let's do the image first for this second screenshot. And now go back to text and enter your description, and I will go with dot mode support. Let's go with third screenshot. Select screen image. Now I will go back to text and customize this with customize fonts. And for this last one, I have nothing, so I have pulled up uh, about us screen probably. Yes. Now in the text section, I'll simply add about us. Now our app screenshots are ready, and if you want to customize anything like font, you can customize it here, and you can change the text color. Okay, so it's up to you or your creativity how far you can go with these options. Okay, after you have completed your editing work, you can simply click on export and click on select all, and now click on download for screens, and it will create a zip file, and it is downloaded successfully. You can simply extract it. So you can use tools like WinRAR to extract the zip files. Click on extract to and leave the location as it is, and now it is extracted. So here you can see the beautiful screenshots for Android S5 made with Flycricket. So guys, how's this video? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any problems while following this step shown here, please don't hesitate to comment below. Thank you for watching.